Hi students, very glad to meet you over this video. Probably in another day when there's an opportunity, when the COVID is the past thing, we'll be able to meet. So this seminar is about aptitude, ability. So aptitude test is part of most of the competitive examinations. You can call it any name, mental ability test, civil services aptitude test, or in some other format for the GMAT. But however, ultimately are going to test whether you're able to think fast, if you are able to think critically, if you are able to really associate correctly, if you are able to calculate the numeracy correctly, if you are able to arrive at a conclusion rightly. So for example, if to test your mathematical skill, they may give you a problem like if a train is traveling at a speed of say 18 kilometers an hour, a man is standing in the railway station and the train passes him. The length of the train is 120 meters. In how many seconds or minutes that train will cross him? Here you may have a lot of calculations you have to work out. It can be any other form of mathematical equation, mathematical calculations. 4% of 75, how much? Or 75% of 4 is how much? So like this, we have to substitute the numbers and then only you can calculate. So the idea is, unless you are intellectually serious, unless you get into some kind of a training, it is not possible to master the art of solving aptitude problems. So what I will suggest to you that take a fresh look at your life. You know, when you clean a room, it will be sweet. It will smell nice. So from today onwards, try to clean your intelligence and get a fresh look from your brain. That means you have to start your preparation from today. You have to really start with habits, because almost everything, I tell you, I'm a shooter. A shooter goes and shoots. He doesn't think there actually. He goes there, it's a habit. He has been practicing it for many times. It comes as a habit. So he goes there, fills up the bullets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He takes, there'll be a whistle, tap, he shoots. That's all. Just like that, in an aptitude test. You can't go there and confuse yourself with all the things. You should go there well prepared. You know the figures, you know the numbers, you know this is what is going to come. Gradually, in a very calm, quiet, like a yogi, you will calculate and for WhatsApp activity or computer games activity or cinemas, entertainment. And you are a new person now. So life is not going to be the same once you're on your path to accumulating knowledge, thinking, start training and preparation. There are a lot of books on aptitude test. You can really try that. So what I'll certainly tell you that is that as all of our lives, so far as it has a definite form, it is a mess of habit. All our life, all our activities is a question of habits. So you must develop wonderful habits of thinking, searching, problem solving, arriving at the right conclusions. In the initial stages, problem solving, habit formation will become very difficult, very slow. For example, your ability to calculate numbers will be very slow. But over a period of time, you have to really learn by heart the multiplication, addition, division, and subtraction of numbers, at least basic numbers, in a fast manner, quick manner, and accurately. This habit makes you a very special person, because many questions will be associated with numbers. Habits, the choices that all of